Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. The USA's nuclear secret has been leaked, and it's a huge embarrassment for the world's most powerful military. This is mind-boggling mishandling of America's most sensitive national security information, where US soldiers have accidentally leaked the nuclear secret of the country via a study app. This has mostly happened in Europe, where USA had deployed most of its nuclear weapons. This leak is going to hugely benefit Russia, and they must be laughing right now on USA as the nuclear secret is exposed wide open. In today's video, we'll be discussing in detail about the leaked information and how did this happen. But before that, let's try to quickly understand the nuclear bombs deployment in Europe by USA. The United States has an estimated 150 B-61 nuclear gravity bombs that are forward deployed at 6 NATO bases in 5 European countries including Italy, Germany, Turkey, Belgium and Netherlands. This has been deployed to counter Russia so that these bombs can be directly dropped in Russia from Europe whenever required. At all the nuclear bomb sites maintained by US in Europe, there are US soldiers and servicemen deployed at the site, and they are the custodians of these bombs. Since the stakes are high, the security protocols are lengthy and must be memorized or known by heart. There are many protocols and passwords that need to be remembered and followed by the servicemen deployed at these bases. Therefore, the servicemen have to undergo periodically tests to ensure they remember all the security protocols and passwords. Now, what has happened that in order to simplify this process, some servicemen have used publicly visible flashcard learning application, inadvertently revealing a multitude of sensitive security protocols about US nuclear weapons and the bases at which they are stored. If you go to Google Play Store, you can find this app over there. Basically, what happens in this app is that you can write a question on a card and its answer on the back of the card. You can create as many questions and answer cards and then use it to memorize and revise those questions and answers. These apps are mostly used by kids for test preparation. The question and answers written on these flashcards can be easily searched if you know the keywords. US soldiers have used this app and stored highly confidential information such as passwords, bomb locations on the cards of the flashcard app. You might be thinking that this is some kind of joke and might not be believing, but trust me, I had a similar reaction when I first read this news. This app data is wide open public domain and can be easily accessed by developers of this app. All the questions having sensitive information and data of nuclear bombs of US are easily visible online to everyone. There were cards carrying information like bases where nuclear bombs are deployed, exact shelters in hot bases with hot vaults that are likely to contain nuclear weapons, detailed security details and protocols such as position of cameras, frequency of patrols around the vaults, secret duress word that signal when a guard is being threatened, unique identifier of restricted area badge. Bellingcat, a British investigative journalism website that specializes in fact-checking and open source intelligence, was able to discover the cards used by military personnel serving at all 6 European military bases reported to store nuclear devices. Bellingcat discovered flashcards dating back as far as 2013 and as recent as April 2021. The author of the investigative piece of Bellingcat explained that the researchers were able to discover the flashcards belonging to the active soldiers by searching for certain terms known to be associated with nuclear bases. The result was unearthing of several sets of flashcards revealing information about the several bases around Europe, including Germany, Netherlands and Turkey. One set of 70 cards with title Study disclosed the number of live and non-live nuclear weapons at Wolaki Air Base in Netherlands, which the Dutch government considers as a secret. Other sets revealed how soldiers were supposed to react at various levels of alarm, where security cameras were located, and the duress words that soldiers give over the phone to show that they had been, for example, taken hostages by attackers. Now the USA will have to completely build new bases for their nuclear bombs and change their security protocols. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.